Hey, thanks for visiting my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the Call of Duty error message that says, your TC does not meet the security requirements for Call of Duty. BIOS firmware update required. This problem usually appears when the game detects an issue with secure boot, TPM, BIOS firmware, or certain security services that are required by Call of Duty's anti-cheat system. Don't worry. In this guide, I will walk you through several proven solutions that can help you get back into the game. Let's start with the first solution. Method 1. Clear TPM data. The first thing you should do is reset the TPM security module. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type tpm.msc. Then press Enter. The TPM management window will open. Look toward the right side and find the option called Clear TPM. Click on it and follow the instructions shown on your screen. Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Save your work and restart the PC. After Windows boots up again, launch Call of Duty and check whether the error has disappeared. If the issue still remains, move to the next method. Method 2. Update your motherboard BIOS. An outdated BIOS is one of the most common reasons behind attestation-related errors. Open your web browser and visit your motherboard manufacturer's official website. Examples include Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, AceRock. Locate your exact motherboard model. Download the latest BIOS version available for your board. Carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions to install the BIOS update. Important: do not turn off your PC during the BIOS update process. Once the update is complete, restart the computer and launch the game again. Many players have reported that updating the BIOS immediately resolved the failed attestation status error. If you're still experiencing the issue, continue with the next solution. Method 3. Enable the COD broker service. Now we need to make sure a required Call of Duty service is running correctly. Press Windows R again. Type services.msc. Press Enter. The Services window will open. Press the letter C on your keyboard to quickly jump through the list. Find the service named COD Broker Service. Right-click it and select Properties. If the service status shows Stopped, click the Start button. Next, change the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply and then OK. Close the Services window. Now restart Steam or Battle.net, launch Call of Duty, and see if the problem has been fixed. If not, proceed to the final method. Method 4. Run the official COD eligibility scanner. Call of Duty provides an official system verification tool that can identify security and firmware issues affecting the game. Open your browser and visit the official Call of Duty support page. Download the verification tool provided there. Once downloaded, open the zip file. Extract the executable file to your desktop. Double-click the extracted file to launch it. Accept the terms and conditions. Then click Run Scan. The utility will analyze your system and report any problems preventing the game from launching correctly. If the scan reports that your BIOS is outdated, return to your motherboard manufacturer's website and install the latest BIOS firmware available for your motherboard model. After completing the recommended fixes, restart your PC and launch Call of Duty once again. In most cases, this resolves the failed attestation status error completely. The "your PC does not meet security requirements" error is usually caused by outdated BIOS firmware, disabled TPM, secure boot configuration issues, or inactive security services required by Call of Duty. By following all the methods shown in this video, most players are able to eliminate the error and launch the game successfully. If one of these methods helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and enable notifications so you never miss future troubleshooting guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
To be what I want, I'll keep